What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to work on StarClicks. This video particularly we are going to be focusing on using your Android phone. So let's start by opening your Chrome browser, and we type in StarClicks, then starclicks.com. Okay, so when you're on this website, sorry, I got a little code. When you're on this website, we're going to find the sign in button, and this is the layout of the website. So I'm just going to show you around before I click on sign in. By the way, you may subscribe so that when I upload more videos, you'll be able to get updated. So make sure you subscribe and you click on that like button. Also click that notification bell. Okay, so when you're here, you just click on sign in. Okay, so this is my balance and this is my account overview, and well, this is how it looks like on your mobile device, and it shows you your earning, and you click on those PPC ads, then okay, so these are the ads that you'll be clicking on. Since I'm on a silver account, they are not as many ads as there should be. So if you upgrade to a gold account, that's when you get even more adverts. So on a silver, you have maybe 6 to 10 adverts per day. So yeah, you'll be making about 6 cents a day, and 10 cents. So I suggest you upgrade to a gold account so that you get more ads, and you can make up to $5 per day. So yeah, so you just continue the process. You click on the ad, and your money will increase. So these ads, they are 1 cent each. It might seem not enough, but when you're on the gold account, you have up to 140 ads to click on, and other means of earning. So I think the gold account will be great. I haven't upgraded myself, but I suggest you do. So I'm just going to do the task again, clicking on ads, and continue to earn. I have 6 ads per day, so yeah. Alright, so I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to sign up, and as you can see, I started with $80 and now it's $82. So I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can sign up, and and start earning money. But make sure you upgrade to a gold membership so that you can earn money. The silver membership, you won't earn that much.